Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to be creating this Durga Puja nighttime look. This is actually my version of Durga Puja nighttime look. So if you want to know how to recreate this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So before starting off with the makeup, I would like to say that in this video you will be seeing that I will be using a little more makeup than I usually do, but that's because I am a bong and in Durga Puja it's all worth it. So without further ado, let's just get started with creating this nice glamorous Durga Puja look. So I'm starting off with a clean moisturized face, and I have used Pond's Light Moisturiser for moisturizing my face. It's very important to moisturize your face before makeup, especially on those occasions when you know that you'll be using a little more makeup than usual, because A, it hydrates your skin, B, it protects your skin from all the harsh chemicals which is there in all the makeup products, and C, it sort of helps to accentuate the natural glow which is already there in your skin underneath all the makeup. So I'm done with the moisturizer part, and I'm gonna go straight to priming my face, and for that I'm gonna use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. It's not the best primer in the market, but it does the job. It fills in my pores and sort of transforms my face into a nice canvas on which I can apply rest of the makeup. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this primer on my finger, dot it on my face, and blend it with my hands. So I'm done with priming my face, and I'm gonna move straight to my base, and for that I'm going to use one of my most trusted foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Maybelline Master Strobe cream with the foundation to add a hint of glow in my base. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the foundation in my hands. I think that much will be enough, and I am going to add a hint of this like this, and then with a wet beauty blender or makeup sponge, I'm gonna take that on my beauty sponge like this, and I'm gonna apply it on my face a little over the neck, and then I'm gonna just blend it like this. After finishing off with my foundation, I'm gonna add a little bit of dimension on my face, and for that I'm gonna contour my face today. And for contouring, I'm using a Wet n Wild contour stick. Now this is a cream contour stick, and I like a cream contouring more than powder contouring. It just makes it a little more natural. I mean, it makes it look a little more natural than powder contouring, and that's absolutely my perspective. If you like powder contouring, please go ahead with that. I think just cream contour works a little better with me. So I'm gonna contour my face like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just draw a line like this. So the line should be sort of at par with the beginning of your ear. So if your ear is starting from here, then here is where your line, you should draw the line in. So I'll do the same thing here, and after doing that I'll also contour my neck a little bit, because double chin, my friend. So I'm gonna contour that double chin away. So, and after that I'll blend it with the same beauty sponge that I used for blending my foundation. After cream contouring my face, I will be bronzing my face a little bit, just to sort of lock the cream contour that I have just finished. So for that I'm using my Faces Ultime Pro face palette, and I'm using the bronzer shade in this, and I'm going to take a generous amount of it in my angled contouring brush. I'll tap off the excess product, and I'll just lightly dust it right over the cream contour. So after contouring and bronzing my face, I'll add a little bit of color to my face. For that, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush on the apples of my cheek, and I'm gonna use that the blush which is already there in that same face palette by Faces. So I'm gonna use a blush brush, and I'm gonna take a decent amount of it, as usual, brushing off the excess, and I'm just gonna add it on the apples of my cheeks like this. So the trick is you sort of flash a fake smile and then you just brush it on the apples of your cheeks like this. Now coming to one of my favorite part of this entire makeup routine, which is highlighting. And for my highlighter, I'll be using the Revolution Pro Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. It is my favorite highlighter, and I will show you why it is my favorite highlighter. I'm gonna take the highlighter in this brush. I'm gonna take a decent amount of it, and I'm gonna just apply it on the cheeks like this. Now do you see why I said that this is my favorite highlighter? Because a little bit, I had used almost, I mean, the least possible amount, and this is the amount of glow I got. Now if you want to make your nose look a little more sharper than it is, then there is a small little trick I have which I think is going to be very handy. So what you do is I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter in my ring finger like this, and I'm going to dot it right at the tip of my nose like this, and lightly blend it with my finger like this. That's it. So do you see, it instantly sort of makes your make your nose look a little more sharper than it actually is. So if you want to make your nose look a little more sharper, you can try this trick. So I've finished off with my base, and I've also filled in my eyebrows off camera. So because I take a lot of time to do my brows, and if you want to see my entire detailed brow routine, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to film a detailed brow routine for you guys. So I'm gonna start with the eye makeup here, and for that I'm gonna start with my favorite part, that is mascara. Yes, I'm gonna start with mascara before. Why? I'll tell you. If you've seen my first video, and I had mentioned it clearly that I'm not an expert with makeup. So what happens is, whenever I apply mascara, somehow I always end up you know, leaving a little bit of mascara on my upper eyelids, and after that, if I apply my mascara after all my eye makeup, then it basically ruins the eye makeup in my upper eyelids. So I try applying my mascara before, and after that doing my eyeshadows. But if you are good at applying mascara, and if you apply mascara before without leaving any mascara on your upper eyelids, then firstly go ahead and apply the eyeshadow and then go ahead with mascara. But I'm just comfortable this way, so I apply mascara at first and then I go to eyeshadow. Now I'll firstly curl my eyelashes with the eyelash curler, and after that I'm going to use my favorite mascara. I don't think I'll be using any other mascara anytime soon, so if you're bored of this product, I'm really sorry, but I just love this product, so I can't stop using this product, and that is my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So after finishing off with my mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeshadow on my upper eyelids. And today I'm going to use the Maybelline City Mini palette. This is a very good palette, and I recently purchased it I purchased it because of Durga Puja. So I am going to use this champagne color on my upper eyelids, and I am actually going to use the brush that they have given in this eyeshadow palette. I am not going to use any other brush. Now I know a lot of people do not like this brush, but I personally like using the brush Maybelline or any eyeshadow kit usually comes with. It's sort of a little more convenient for me, you can say, but it works also for me. So that is the reason. I'll be taking a generous amount of the champagne color on this sponge side of the brush, and then I'm going to pat it on my upper eyelids like this. After that champagne shade, I am going to take this bronze golden shade in my fluffy eyebrow brush, and I'm using this brush because I need something which will help me blend the eyeshadow well in my crease. So I'm going to take a little bit of this bronze color on this brush, and I'm going to start blending it on my crease like this. Finally, I'll highlight the my eyebrow brow bone area. So for that, I'm going to use this highlighting shade, which is right here, with that same sponge side of the brush, and I'm going to highlight it like this. And I'm also going to apply the same on my inner eye corner a little bit. This sort of brightens up your eyes and make your eye look a little more bright and, you know, bigger. So that's it. So now I'm done with my eyeshadow part, and I'm going to draw a nice black winged eyeliner, because that is pretty essential for a nice bong look, bong Durga Puja look. And for that, I'm going to take my Colorbar waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a nice wing on my upper eyelids. And after that, I'm going to fill up my lower waterline with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal like this. After my entire face, I'm just left with my lips, and for that I'm going to line my lips with this Miss Claire waterproof lip liner, and I think the shade number is 08. And after lining my lips, I'm going to fill it in with one of my favorite lipsticks, which is from MAC, and this is the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in All Fired Up. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. It's perfect for occasions like Durga Puja. So that's it guys, I'm done with creating this nighttime look for Durga Puja or Navratri actually. So if you've liked what I did in this video, then please do not forget to like this video and also share it with all your friends who are planning to go out and wondering how they should do their makeup, or in general with anyone you feel would like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for many more such upcoming videos. I love you all, and always do not forget to love yourself and feel beautiful. Bye bye.